Hey guys, Sorin here. So under voltage again, this time on a laptop, on a notebook. If you didn't catch what is under voltage and why is it necessary, check back on the previous video when we applied a small under voltage to a Ryzen desktop PC. So on a notebook, just like I said in that video, things are harder. You can't actually do anything from the BIOS because you have the boot options and a few other things, but no settings regarding voltages. Yet again, I'm talking about normal notebooks, gaming notebooks, consumer notebooks. Probably some higher end notebooks have this setting, especially those that are oriented towards overclocking. But this is just a gaming notebook from ASUS. So we have an Intel 6700 HQ, an i7 CPU that, of course, like in any thin laptop, gets quite hot when gaming. Here comes under voltage. Mind you, not having the BIOS options, you need to resort to software options. So some people use Thorttlestop. I like Intel Extreme Tuning Utility. It's pretty fast, it's pretty easy to configure to start from boot. Check out the blog post for that. And it's pretty straightforward, as you will just see. You simply open the program after installing it. You go to advanced tuning, and the only thing that matters, in my opinion, is the core voltage offset, which you can set in increments of 0.005 with the minus, because you want to under voltage, you don't want to over voltage. So I know from experience this CPU can take minus 0.085 volts, and you just click apply and all is good. Now if your notebook comes with an integrated GPU only, the Intel one, and you don't have a dedicated one, and you know that while gaming it gets used, some people also prefer downer to limit the processor graphics voltage offset settings by a few volts. I don't really use that since this notebook usually results to the NVIDIA GPU inside of it. It's a 960 GTX. So that's about it. You just click apply and then you test. I can't stress this enough, especially on a notebook. Test, test, test. Try your favorite games, use your apps, hell, even try a stress software like OCCT, and monitor before applying the under voltage and after to see if all the hassle has been worth it. In my experience, you can usually shave a couple degrees even on notebooks. On some notebooks you can even get impressive results, especially on newer Intel models, and that just gives you a better notebook experience. The fans don't ramp up as much, the keyboard on some models don't get as hot, and your gaming experience will be better for longer, especially in high stressful games for your notebook, since it will take a longer period of time for your CPU to get overheated and thermal throttling to settle back in. If this short video has been helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.